Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, looking at natural gas daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. Congrats to the bulls. Look at that ramp of volume. Look at the bullish MACD cross breakout. Huge move. This is exactly what the bulls were looking for. And we're heading into the winter in a very bullish setup for natural gas. The higher lows on the daily are very clearly maintained. And on consolidation here, as long as we form a higher low compared to 2866, the bulls will still be in full control. And certainly there's probably people now looking at this chart and saying, oh man, I want in natural gas. Wait for consolidation. And people watching the video over the past couple of weeks saw this bull move setting up and certainly not surprised with the follow through. The weekly time frame is a very technically significant bullish development. We do have the upper Bollinger Band weekly resistance right there at 320, which might reject the price next week. But look at the last time that we were at these price levels. We are at the highest price we've seen since January 2015, and that is about 22 months. This is the highest price. So we had a target, a short-term or a mid-term target of 331, looking for that 10% move from $3, and we're getting there a whole lot quicker than anticipated. So looking up now, resistance is up at 335 after 331, and then we're looking to fill this gap at 344. Bulls in full control, breaking out on the daily. The bulls will look to hold the upper Bollinger Band on the daily to stay in breakout mode. And on the weekly, we'll see if the bulls can get over that weekly upper Bollinger Band resistance. But again, if you are not already in this trade, you want to be waiting for consolidation after 5 very bullish days in a row where the price has gone up 10% in those 5 days. So let's look back at that trend change that we saw, and feel free to check back on the videos that we've been making here every day as it was been playing out day by day, and we saw this trend change occur on the hourly. It was very clearly lower highs and lower lows, and then we leveled out and formed a base at 288, and then as soon as we broke these levels of 2929 and 2937, the bulls changed the trend back to higher lows and higher highs on the hourly. And look at that follow through. Huge breakout today. And we can see that MACD is curling down because it was unsustainable to the upside, too quick a move. The RSI is cooling off as it was overbought, but the bulls are in full control of the daily, the weekly, the hourly, every time frame you can look at. Maybe not the 5-minute now that we are consolidating, but you get the idea. And we'll be watching, I'll be looking at the videos the next week from a standpoint of someone who's looking to make a bullish entry in natural gas who might have missed this move. I personally would be locking in my gains to end the day on Friday unless I had a really long-term position, and we certainly have plenty of members with long-term positions. And James, if you've been watching his videos, he has a longer-term unleveraged UNG position, and we both were seeing the same thing, and it was nice. I don't even watch his videos. He doesn't watch mine. But we do touch base, and we are certainly both bullish natural gas, and that is playing out very nicely. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks for all the likes and the shares. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.